What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to show you guys how to change your cabin air filter in all 2012 through 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK and Jeep Wrangler JKUs. Let's go ahead and get into it. So today I will be using K&N's Lifetime cabin air filter. This allows up to 25% more airflow and lasts up to 25,000 miles before you need to clean it. So let's go ahead and jump into the installation. All right, guys, so jumping into your Jeep here, you're going to come to the passenger side where the glove compartment is. Go ahead and pull the tab to open this up. And then what we're going to do to remove the glove box is on either side here, you're going to pull inwards like this. You see these little tabs on each side. You're going to push both of these inwards at the same time and completely remove your glove box. After you've removed your glove compartment, you can come in here to these little tabs right here and just pop these off of the little tabs that they sit on. And this will allow you to pull up on these, on this little mesh screen here, and get access to where your cabin air filter sits. So once you have access to where the cabin air filter goes by lifting up on this screen here, you notice that there is a little white shield behind it. So if you come over to your Jeep here, and what we're going to be doing is I'm going to put my key in, turning the ignition on, and hitting the recirculation button, and that will allow that to open up and gives you access to the cabin air filter. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and pull your old cabin air filter out. As you guys can see, I don't have any in there at the moment, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my new cabin air filter. On these Jeeps, there are two separate ones that go in the same spot. We're going to go ahead and slide those into place. And once our new cabin air filters are in place, we can go ahead and reinstall the screen back into its spot. And if you're installing a K&N Lifetime cabin air filter just like me, I'm going to take the do not discard sticker and stick it somewhere on the inside of here, so just to let anybody know that comes in here in the future to not discard of the cabin air filter. The next thing that we can do is we can hook our glove box back onto its hooks and reinstall it fully into the Jeep. And that is how you install a new cabin air filter in your 2012 through 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK and Jeep Wrangler JKUs. If you guys want to get yourself one of these K&N cabin air filters for your own Jeep, you can visit the link in the description box below. If you purchase it through my link, it just gives me a little bump back on the channel here at no extra cost to you. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video or if I helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos like this. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.